There!
On July 6, 2025, what began as a mental health assistance call in San Jose turned into one of the most dangerous situations officers can face. A family called 911, hoping to get help for their 37-year-old son, who was reportedly in crisis and acting violently. But within moments of officers arriving, they found themselves staring down the barrel of a long gun. What followed was a tense standoff, repeated attempts at de-escalation, and ultimately an exchange of gunfire. This body cam footage captures every critical moment, showing just how fast a welfare call can spiral into a life or death encounter. Stay with us as we break down the tactics, decisions, and split-second actions that unfolded.
So when I saw him, I think he took off running. You're right. Yeah. Kareem.
That's close enough!
Can we talk, bud?
Step back!
What does he have?
Back up, back up, back up, back up!
Something looks like a rifle. Something looks like a rifle. Hey, does he have guns? He pointed something that looked like a rifle.
He sounded like he was kind of teetering on like 10-5-6 kind of apologies.
Okay. Here it comes. He had something in his hands. I saw him disappear to the side.
He went inside?
He crossed over and he's hugging the
Subject. Is that you?
Who's that?
Is that him? Was that him?
Hey, copy. That was him. That was him.
Okay.
Hey, back up. Matt. Matt. Get away. Get away. Back. Back. Confirm, not us. No. Get your distance. Yeah, it was. Hey, can we eat this wall of this house? Grandal, can we get this? Can we get this corner? Can we suck back to this corner? Try to suck back to the corner of the house. Suck back.
I will be last man. Move.
Copy. Take that back.
That was out front. That wasn't in the backyard.
Bro, that was
right up.
he wasn't too far off.
Advise wind set.
Yeah, we're set.
He sounded like he was kind of teetering on like 10-5-6 kind of apologies.
Here it comes.
Copy.
He had something in his hands. I saw him disappear to the side.
He went inside?
He crossed over and he's hugging the
You put that out?
We saw the subject at the...
Is that you?
negative.
Who's that?
Was that him? Was that him? Was that him, Grandal?
Confirm.
Okay.
Hey, back up.
Probably just have the rifle somewhere.
Get away. Get away. Back. Back.
I got you, dude. I got long.
Not us.
Put it out just to...
You're just running. One round and one out. Copy, one round and one out. Copy.
Suck back to this corner.
Yeah.
Try to suck back to the corner of the house. Suck back.
I will be last man. Move. Advise wind set.
Yeah, we're set.
I hate it when you press it accidentally and it turns off.
Stupid.
Need some better button.
I'm going by you.
Oh, there's two dudes there. I do have them to you. Two dudes. Good, thank you.
There was some right there.
Tom 554.
I'm not sticking my neck out. Fuck that. Oh man.
I'm crazy like that sometimes.
No, it's okay. I mean, I got it a little bit, but I just don't have a good look at anything. So all I'm feeling like is I just feel like I'm stalling myself. We'll hear it if he's jumping the fence.
Yeah, I don't think he's gonna be.
No, I think he's done.
Yeah, he's.
I think he killed
did it.
himself.
Yeah, unfortunately.
From my vantage point on the part that goes into the garage and it's open.
Hey, stop right there! San Jose police! Stop right there!
Shots fired, shots fired. Tell me one. The suspect's jumping on the other side of the fence.
There goes my hearing.
Do not move! Do not fucking move! San Jose police, stay there, right there! Get your hands out so I can see him, so he can provide you with help! Do not move!
Provide an update on the radio.
Do not move!
On the ground behind the fence.
Do not fucking move! I'm gonna have to shoot you again. I don't want to do that. Do not fucking move!
The Tom 1 car.
Do not move! San Jose police, do not move!
Stop
You
moving!
move, you're gonna get shot!
Oh, he's.
Do not move!
Stop moving! Do not move! Do you understand? We're gonna provide you help, but you gotta listen.
I can't see him.
Yeah.
Do not move!
I'm sorry, we hit him on the little round. Okay. Plan of action here. He's still moving. I can't tell.
He's still moving. Do not move!
Still moving. I know it's
He had 2 rifles, 2 long guns.
Tom 5, 2 long guns, 2 rifles.
There's no need to get close. Keep your distance. Get behind me. Get good cover.
I'm good. I promise.
I can't see shit.
I can't do he's not moving at all. Tom 5, he's not moving.
He was still moving a second ago.
Yeah, he was. I don't think he is now. I think.
I don't know if he's acquiring me or not. I can't see anything.
No, I don't think he is. He's not moving. What?
You have eyes
He's
on him.
moving in a little bit, yeah. He's
Do not move!
going to be straight ahead as you walk in by the tree. Don't move! He's up again.
Do not move! Quit moving!
No, he's not moving.
This incident is a tragic reminder that not every mental health call ends peacefully, even when specially trained crisis intervention officers are involved. According to the investigation, officers attempted multiple de-escalation strategies, created distance, and spent significant time trying to resolve the situation without force. However, After the suspect pointed firearms at officers and later fired directly at them, the encounter escalated into a deadly exchange. Investigators later recovered 4 firearms and dozens of rounds of ammunition, underscoring just how dangerous the situation had become. As with every officer-involved shooting, the investigation will examine whether every decision complied with department policy and state law. We'd like to hear your perspective. Do you believe the officers handled this situation appropriately, or could anything have been done differently? If you found this breakdown informative, hit the like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more real-life body cam analysis and police incident breakdowns.
Have him jump over the fence, but not use the gate.
If you can jump over the fence on this side of the house, the other corner where the gate is not, you can access us. I'm totally exposed. He's not moving now. I don't know if you guys can get over. Just kick it if you have to.
Kick it down if you have to. Kick it down if you have to.
Yep.
Do not move. I want to provide you with aid, but you cannot move. Do not move. Copy that. I have eyes on him. I got only 1 round left, so we're gonna have to switch. Okay, I'm going off. Red, red, red.